In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to create personalized templates for Notion. If you're looking to streamline your workflow or personalize your Notion setup, this guide is exactly what you need. We're going to delve into how you can leverage the power of AI to craft tailored templates that can enhance your productivity and organization. Let's start by visiting the ChatGPT website. If you're not familiar with it yet, ChatGPT is an AI-powered tool capable of assisting you with a multitude of tasks, including creating customized templates for productivity apps like Notion. Upon reaching the home page, you'll encounter various options related to tasks that ChatGPT can assist you with. Direct your focus to the GPTs section, which you'll find among the main navigation items. Clicking on this will open up a world of possibilities within the ChatGPT interface, tailored for your needs. With the interface at your fingertips, our next step is to utilize the search functionality. Type Notion into the search bar. This action allows you to filter through hundreds of useful applications, giving you easy access to ChatGPT's dedicated tools for Notion-specific tasks. Once you've entered the search term, browse through the options presented and click on Notion Templates Creator. This tool is specially crafted to aid you in generating templates tailored to your unique requirements within Notion. Once you've selected the Notion Templates Creator, it's time to dive right in by clicking on Start Chat. This step marks the beginning of your direct interaction with the AI, specifically aimed at crafting the perfect Notion template for you. It's a crucial step because it lays the foundation for you to begin customizing and developing the template according to your personal needs and preferences. As we progress to the exciting part, you will need to type in a prompt that describes what you wish to create within Notion. Clarity and detail are key in your instructions to the AI. For instance, if you're looking to manage your finances, you might instruct, "Create me a template about budget." This prompt serves as a guide helping the AI grasp precisely what you're looking to build and the specific elements that should be incorporated into the template. After entering your prompt, take a moment to sit back and watch as ChatGPT gets to work. In a matter of seconds, the AI starts generating a response tailored to your request. This automatically crafted template will include sections and elements based on your input, providing you with a well-structured base that you can further customize in Notion based on